Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So I want to do a little review of the Sunny under the desk pedal exerciser. Talk about some of the pros, some of the cons, and some of the thoughts that I have for using this device. First off, it's really great build quality. It's super heavy. I don't have the exact weight on it, but I'm going to say it's somewhere in the range of 20 plus pounds. So that's great because that means that it's going to be really stable whether you're using it for your upper extremities or you place it on the floor. It's not going to slide away from you. The grit on the bottom side sticks to the carpet really well, will stick to a hardwood floor really well, linoleum, whatever you have. So those are all great. The problem, if I have a major drawback, continues to be, and this is a universal problem with all of these pedalers, the length of the arm for each pedal is just so short. The shorter the length of this arm, the shorter the motion, the smaller the circle, and so the less motion you get through the knee. Now, I like this best from the ones that I've reviewed, but I still wish they would have a longer 6-inch, 8-inch arm for the pedal, so I get a little more motion. That's what you're gonna get with a more traditional recumbent bike. But obviously, for the compact, small footprint, relatively mobile form factor, I think this is a great buy. Now, if I was using this for upper extremity, which I like to do with my clients who have had a knee replacement, because it's not just about the knees, it's about the entire body. What I would do is I would place this on a kitchen counter, I'd place this on a kitchen table, anywhere that's stable, secure. I'd have my client grab the handles. Like most of these devices, what's happening is this little strap is so tiny. Most people aren't going to get a whole foot in here when you're using it on the floor as a pedal exerciser. So what I would typically recommend is not even use the strap. If you are a smaller person, you can, absolutely use the straps if you feel like your feet are sliding off the pedals. But for most people, I'm 5'7", I wouldn't use the strap, and anyone taller, I would tell you just avoid the straps. What's nice about these handles is that they do have some contouring to kind of fit the fingers, because this really is designed effectively as an upper body ergometer, as an exercise bike, a UBE. It can be used in either direction. Again, I would tell you if I was a taller individual, I'd turn it this way, but the reason why I don't like this direction, which is how you would use it for your feet, is because it has me leaning forward more than I would like. If I spin it around, this would technically be reverse, but it allows me to get closer to my body. Now I can do this standing up at the kitchen counter because this is going to build endurance, it's going to build strength and stability through my legs. It's also going to provide some compression through the knee. This would be my preferred mode of using a device like this for my arms, but certainly if I don't have the endurance, I can do it sitting down. I can sit in a comfortable chair. The only thing that you have to watch is that you're not hitting your elbows as you're going through the motion. So let's take a look at this for a leg bike, since that's what most of you are thinking about.